welcome! In this video I am going to show you 3 different ways for converting numbers in the Ascii table to characters. So the first method is to do it in a range. So we type 33.126 space pipe space percentage space curly brackets char $, underscore, and then we choose run. Here we have all the characters from 33 to 126. Method number 2 is if you only need to convert one number. Then you do the same as before, but you only type in one number and then you choose run. Method number 3 is also if you only need to convert one number. Then you choose brackets, char, and then you type in the number that you want to convert. And then you choose run. In this video, I have showed you 3 different ways for converting numbers in the Ascii table to characters. Thank you for watching my video and remember to like, share and subscribe.